Hey guys, I just got these two trains from Amazon, one Percy, one Thomas. They're the motorized engines for the wooden train tracks, and here I've built the exact same track on two sides. So we're going to do a little race, Thomas versus Percy, to see who runs faster. Here we go. And it looks like Percy is the winner.